James with Creative Audio. Today we're going to be doing a product overview on the new thinPRO12 sub from Wavtech. If you're familiar with Wavtech, then you know that they're known for their high-end, small chassis, high-power amplifiers with great OEM integration. Adding a subwoofer to the line of already robust amplifiers from Wavtech, this is going to give you an option to be able to piece together an entire system of Wavtech products. So whenever we look at this, we're going to notice that this is going to be a shallow mount 12-inch woofer. They offer this in a 2 ohm and a 4 ohm. It's going to be a single voice coil. So this is going to give you tons of wiring options. Inside the owner's manual, which you find inside the box here, is going to have the different wiring options and as well as the amplifiers they suggest and the amp settings. So that way you make sure you get the exact performance that Wavtech designed the woofer to get. When we take a closer look at the 12, you're going to notice that this is going to be not only shallow, but also high excursion surround. So this is going to actually excurt up to 2 inches, which is a ton of excursion, which is going to move more air, get higher output out of such a shallow woofer. Whenever you start looking at power handling, this is going to have a 750 watt RMS with 2250 peak power. So these can handle a ton of power. Wavtech makes amplifiers that, again, are known for OEM integration to add onto your existing system that you have in the car. And this is going to give you plenty of bass output whenever paired with their amplifiers. With the clean aesthetics and the high power handling, this is going to be a ton of bass that's going to be able to be added to any vehicle, whether you've got a large area that you can fill with sound, or if you need something that's going to be shallow and not take up very much space. So this is going to be a great option for integration into an existing system or a complete new system, but Wavtech again has brought it. So that's going to be all the features and benefits you're going to see with that new thinPRO12 woofer from Wavtech. As always, stay tuned as we bring you innovative products to fit your lifestyle.